so in love with you. You got me down again.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boys, Frogan Reactions here, back with a special unboxing. You'll have to wait and see what it is.
We are filming outside, and we can't wait to get into this juicy content right here. So
let's
here we go.
Let's unbox this.
Here we go. Pull it. Oh yeah. Moment of truth, the M2 MacBook Air. Oh yeah. I can feel the excitement already. And that is garbage. And we're gonna take this out of the way.
Alright.
Let's get some close-ups of that. Look at this beauty right here. Let's go. Hold that tab.
Alright. Now let's check out this MacBook Air.
3, 2. Oh!
I don't know how this is different.
Okay. And there it is. Oh my god, this is sexy. Look at this.
Charger cable. Now let's check out this.
Oh, come on, give me them Apple stickers.
We got these two instructions. Now let's check out that Apple sticker, baby.
Come on, give it to me. Yeah.
2 Apple stickers, right there and right there. Double camera angle.
And some documentation that I do not care about.
2 Apple stickers, baby.
Which we're gonna
and then this big tube.
What is it? Is it the standard or the dual one that they give us? They gave us the standard, of course. They give
right
us.
there.
Let's see.
And right there.
Let's see this. So let's take that out. I tried to get you the dual. Wow, there's a plane flying over us right now. I tried to get you the dual USB-C charging, but it would have taken like another extra month to get here, so no.
Look at this charging cable. Wow. Look at that. Look at this. How was that not nice? It's great.
So we're gonna put that aside. Let's see. Let's take a look at this. Oh yeah. And it's color-coded MagSafe. Look at that. MagSafe has returned. Isn't that beautiful?
So now let's get this box out of the way.
Let's just put that there and put that there and get that out of the way. Put that to the side. Get a load of this beauty, which is gonna get extremely warm. But look at that. So we got MagSafe and USB-C ×2, and then here we got the 3.5.
So now let's
jack.
see. Open it up. Oh!
Oh, listen to that. This thing is amazing. Oh, I hope they make MacBook Pros in this color. I almost want this as my new. I don't even want a MacBook Pro anymore. This is so much nicer. I love this blue. Look at this. It's so light too. Look at this.
Hello, it has hello on the screen. Empanada, hola.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the setup here where you move so you can get a better look at the screen. But
so here we go.
Yeah, so let's hit English. Okay, it's loading. This is amazing. Look at this. We're not in Afghanistan, we are in Canada, thank you. And you got cop sirens in the background. The perk of filming outside. Lovely, gentlemen. Accessibility, we're not going to do now. I'm going to blur out the Wi-Fi, but that's the Wi-Fi section. Data and privacy, we're just going to continue on that. Migration, we are not migrating. We're setting this up as new. I will sign into my Apple ID though. And we're good with Find My, File Vault, Disk Encryption. You don't want to get viruses now. Oh, okay, so let's set up some Touch ID. I love Touch ID on my iMac. I use it all the time. Very useful. Oh, okay. There's a plane currently going over us right now. Lovely. The perk of filming outside, baby. Apple Pay. Not right now. Set up later. We want to set that up later. Oh, and we're live. Live at 5. Look at that. Oh, I'm not used to a notch, but watch the mouse. Goodbye. Mouse is gone. Mouse is here. So this is the base model. Couldn't get any upgraded models, but that's okay.
Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us.